Hi everyone, we're on Railway Terrace this morning, just about to put on a 2-bedroomed mid-terrace property. Railway Terrace is just near the community centre and Navy Club. Pinewood Avenue runs down and you turn left into it. It's a little row of terraces just off the main high street. Well, I think it's Church Hill actually going up there. So let's go in and take a look around. Now, one thing to point out just before we do show you around, the house does need some work. There's still some stuff that's got to be cleared here as well. So let's go and take a look. Okay, so front room. And then the other reception room here. And then the kitchen. And then the bathroom. And then out here, it's all covered. It's only a little yard, but the way they've done it is just to cover it with this roof, just to give a little storage area. And then this just goes onto the back access to the row of terraces. So let's go upstairs. So as we come up, you've got the main bedroom here on the left, real good sized bedroom. And then across the landing we've got the second bedroom. Okay guys, so there you have it. 2-bedroom mid-terrace property obviously needs a lot of work. I do feel we've reflected the amount of work that needs doing in the price. So good investment property maybe for somebody or a first-time buyer that doesn't mind doing some work. It's going to need pretty much everything, this property. Not quite sure about the electrics. I'll have to check with the owner when they were last updated. Windows look okay, but you know, everything else will certainly need updating. So if you're interested, give the office a ring. We can fix up a viewing for you straight away. If you need any mortgage advice, buy to let mortgage advice, Brad is on hand to help you with that as well. So thanks for watching. See you.